Welcome to the OEE Whisperer. This is an AI-powered manufacturing assistant that transforms how operators interact with their production data. What you're seeing here is my demo dashboard. Unfortunately, I am actually more of an AWS architect than I am a developer, but hopefully this will show off the capabilities of the voice assistant and not so much my rockin' React skills. So this is a truly multi-model AI solution, so operators can speak naturally using Nova Sonic to get insights about what's going on in the factory and get predictive analytics from Nova Pro. The powerhouse of the solution is CrateDB, which is an open source distributed database designed for real-time analytics and large data sets and varied data sets. So it can inject or ingest time series, structured, unstructured, blob data, all those kinds of things. And so to sort of get into the actual demo, let's start asking Nova some questions. What is our current OEE?
Our current overall OEE is 58.4%. There are some concerns with Conveyor 1 and the press machine, both showing 0% OEE due to high vibration, overheating, low performance, and equipment downtime. Would you like me to dive deeper into any specific area?
What's wrong with Conveyor 1?
Conveyor 1 has a vibration level of 11.207, which is significantly above the normal threshold of 1.5, indicating severe mechanical issues. The temperature is at 69.56 degrees Celsius, which is also above the optimal range of 45 to 60 degrees Celsius, and the RPM is at 974.47, which is below the expected operational range. These readings suggest serious problems that need immediate attention. Would you like me to provide troubleshooting steps?
Yeah, what does the manual say are the troubleshooting steps for this machine?
According to the manual, for Conveyor 1, high vibration above 1.55 may indicate imbalance or bearing issues. The temperature above 72.5 suggests overheating and RPM deviations. Above plus minus 100 RPM require inspection. If the vibration exceeds 1.75 or the temperature exceeds 77.5, the emergency protocol is to 1. Immediately reduce the load. 2. Shut down the motor if the anomaly persists for more than 5 minutes. And 3. Notify the operations lead and schedule maintenance. Let's follow these steps to resolve the issues with Conveyor 1.
What's the failure risk for assembly line A?
Assembly line A has an OEE of 97%, with availability at 100%, performance at 97%, and quality at 100%. The line is currently running without any reported issues. The failure risk appears to be low based on the current metrics. However, it's always good to keep an eye on it to ensure sustained performance. Would you like me to monitor it more closely or focus on another area?
No, tell me, how do I cook pasta?
I'm specialized in manufacturing and OEE analysis. Let's focus on your production needs. What would you like to know about the factory?
Yeah, what parameters can I check?
For the factory, you can check overall OEE, specific machine OEE, sensor readings for machines, and troubleshooting guides for any issues. Let me know which one you're interested in, and I can provide more details.
So yeah, as you can see, the model is very great at checking the current data of the machines and their parameters in the database. It can give you insights based on machine manuals that were loaded into CrateDB. And it even has guardrails, who doesn't at this point, to make sure that an operator doesn't deviate from the questions that this model specializes in. It's just also a rudimentary dashboard that I came up with. You can see the overall OEE calculated in the background. And then you can see the machines that were having issues that we asked about. Um, and like I said, you have some predictive insights here that update every hour or so based off of data in the database. So this has been my demonstration of our OEE Whisper. Thank you for watching.